Welcome to Cloud 3D Print. In this tutorial, we will show you how to manipulate G-code. After slicing a model, you can view the G-code profile in the G-code viewer. Different colors of display lines indicate the source of the G-code type. At the top, there are various tools for viewing the G-code model, such as Reset, Fit to Bed Size, Reference, Logo, Grid, and Rotation to see the G-code. On the right side, you can view layer information by dragging the scroll bar. At the bottom, you can view an animation of 3D printing with different speeds for each layer. You can also view G-code geometry information, such as G-code name, estimated printing time, filament length, and weight. Additionally, the project title and category icon are displayed here. Clicking on G-code information will open up the G-code panel. You can view more details of G-code information. You can also perform tasks such as share, rename, download, and sending the G-code to a 3D printer by clicking the buttons in the panel or at the bottom. That's all for this tutorial. See you next time.